This is big!
Yeah. Certainly busier than the last time I came here.
Of course, that begs the question. How does Tracy manage to work in a yard this huge?
All right, people, let's go. All right, Rusty, you're off on track 4 with that fruit and veg for Cliffstone Valley Depot.
I'm on it. Oh, and did you need ballast or gravel from Baseline Quarry afterwards?
Ballast, 4 carloads of it.
2 loads of gears from the steelworks. Where do you want this put?
Leave it to Tracy to shunt over into the yard. You've got a delivery for Colville next. Adeline, can you get Humphrey's wagons ready? Oh, Shelbert, we've had a minor delay on your route. You'll be on the Inkblottia Castle branch on your final stretch to Gardenia Bay with a delivery of stone.
Thanks for the heads up, Tower. Back today with the tar tankers.
Nice.
Wow! She runs this yard like a well-oiled machines that run through it. With how squeaky clean things are around here, I'm surprised there's no slip-ups.
Uh-oh.
Oh dear, oh, watch yourself. Oh, come back.
Oh boy. Repair team, report to Roundhouse Tracks 1 and 2. We've got some cleaning up to do.
Wait! Hold up!
Oh, nuts.
Oh dear! What's up, Mrs. Carla?
Johnny left behind an urgent package for Pinewood Island, and I've got no one to take it there now.
I could take it if you want. I've got the mail car you had to pick up from the coachworks on me.
Well, if you want to, but are you sure you're gonna get to Gardenia Bay on time?
No sweat. I'm the fastest chugger in town. Nothing slows me down. I've gone down too fast on the junction.
Roller freight, whoa!
Big Tim, where's the next track to the main line?
Oh, that's easy. Just go through the quarry and you're back on the main line.
Thanks. Catch you later, Tim.
Oh, Koko, you look like you were in a hurry.
Just a special delivery for Pinewood Island. Can you get it there?
Funny you should say that because... All aboard! Catch you later, Koko.
Man, I may be the fastest chugger in town, but nothing slows the mail down.
Welcome to Crotoonia Shoots, the program in which we see the railways of Crotoonia in all of its raw wonder. Get your finest climbing gear, because today we'll be exploring the workings of the Cliffstone Mountains.
You okay?
How am I okay with all the work I'm doing? Stupid ballast diggings kept me going all day and it takes forever to shift it out to the quarry. I'll be glad to move the last lot of it out so I can go back to my shed and sleep. Out of the way!
The tree in motion. We work until the day is through. We can fix a hole in the street to this Latin beat. No one can dig it like we do. Ha ha!
How many more trips to go before the foundation's ready, Muck?
Well, at the rate we're moving at, and how much more there is to go from the foundation, I'd say a good half dozen for Diesel.
Oh dear, I don't want Diesel fussing over more work. Muck, you and the others get Monty. There's going to be a lot to shift shortly.
Muck to the rescue! Let's get Mucky!
Blazes happened here? I think you'd better be thanking Brewster. Chap shifted a good lot of the stuff for you.
Well, that's a load off your mind.
At least one of them. Thank you, Brewster.
The engines always think they are so clever, and so they like to bump the trucks around. They bump them in the sidings, they bump them in the yard. They better beware, they better take care, they better be on their guard. Tracy pulls the trucks along the line. She's happy and she thinks it's going fine. The trucks all start to moan, they rattle and they groan. Look out Tracy, watch out Tracy, that's a warning sign. Because those troublesome trucks will get the engines every time. Troublesome trucks will run the engines off the line. They push them here and push them there until they go too fast. Then they push them once again, laughing while they crash. Troublesome trucks will get the engines every time. Troublesome trucks will run the engines off the line. They don't care how big they are, to them it's just a game. Those troublesome trucks will get them all the same. Before long Tracy comes to that big hill. It's hard work and she's really got to pull. But soon she's at the top, and then she just won't stop. On, the trucks go faster still. Because those troublesome trucks will get the engines every time. Troublesome trucks will run the engines off the line. They push them here and push them there until they go too fast. Then they push them once again, laughing while they crash. Troublesome trucks will get the engines every time. Troublesome trucks will run the engines off the line. They don't care how big they are, to them it's just a game. Those troublesome trucks will get them all the same. They don't care how big they are, to them it's just a game. Those troublesome trucks will get them all the same.
So you made it this far in the audio file, I get you. I know you're trying to work your best, but you know what? Carry on. Ralph supports you anywhere you go. Unless you're late, not on time. Because, you know what? I hate people that aren't on time. So you better finish this project, and you better finish it now! That was a nice little wave in the audio file. Did you see that right there? That was amazing. Hold on, let me try again. Whoop! It did it again! Yeah, I'm probably wasting a lot of time on that. Oh well. I can do a duck! Well, that sounded like a duck to me anyway.
Pardon me, excuse us. Just go over here.
That guy is tall.
In the buzzing country of Crotoonia, there's all kinds of machines that help to keep things running on time. Each one having their own special jobs to do, but every now and then, you need a really tall machine to keep an eye out on the job. And that's when you need Top Hat, the railway tug. Top Hat is one of the biggest tugs in the harbor. He's bigger than Warrior, bigger than Theodore, but still small compared to Olsen the naval ship. Top Hat's job is to move Frank and Eddie, the car ferries, between the Gardenia Bay docks and Pinewood Island, far out across the coast. While Top Hat can be a little bit big for his bumpers at times, he's still a committed railway tug, always delivering his barges and wagons no matter what load, on time. This tall tug is one mighty machine. Welcome to Crotoonia, Top Hat. Welcome to Crotoonia Shoots, the program in which we see the railways of Crotoonia in all of its raw wonder. Mind the gap, we're about to visit the busy town of Fausten and its freight and passenger stations.
Not the express, but don't jump. Like the gas and one goal.